Have you ever noticed? You text someone. They see it. They don't reply. You enter a room. And suddenly, your presence feels invisible. No respect. No attention. No value. And the worst part? You start blaming yourself. But what if I told you? People are not ignoring you by accident. They are responding to signals you don't even realize you're sending. Today, you'll learn the dark psychological reasons why people ignore you and how to reverse it. The painful truth. Let's be honest. Being ignored doesn't hurt your ego. It hurts your identity. Your brain processes social rejection the same way it processes physical pain. That's why it feels heavy in your chest. That's why you replay conversations in your head. That's why silence feels louder than insults. But psychology says something uncomfortable. People don't ignore people. They ignore patterns. And if you understand these patterns, you regain control. Reason number 1. You over-explain yourself. One of the biggest silent killers of respect is over-explaining. When you justify everything you say, when you try too hard to be understood, when you defend yourself before anyone even attacks, your brain is signaling, I am below you. High-value people speak simply. They don't beg for approval. The more you explain, the more people subconsciously feel they don't need to listen. Silence creates gravity. Desperation creates distance reason. Number 2. You are too available. Psychology has a brutal rule. What is always available is rarely valued. If you reply instantly, if you cancel your plans for others, if you are always free, your presence becomes common. And humans don't protect what feels common. They protect what feels rare. You don't become important by chasing attention. You become important when your absence is noticed. Reason number 3. Your energy is heavy. People don't just respond to words. They respond to emotional weight. If you constantly complain, talk about problems, carry insecurity in your posture, or seek validation, your presence becomes exhausting. Not because you are bad, but because the human brain avoids emotional cost. Confidence is silent. Insecurity is loud. And the world listens to silence. Reason number 4. You don't respect yourself. This one hurts. But it changes everything. People treat you the way you treat yourself. If you tolerate disrespect, if you laugh when you feel insulted, if you stay where you're not valued, you teach others how to ignore you. Self-respect is not loud. It's enforced through boundaries. And boundaries create value. The shift. Here's the psychological shift that changes everything. Stop trying to be liked. Start becoming unignorable. You do that by speaking less, meaning more, choosing yourself without apology, building a life that doesn't beg for attention, walking away from rooms that forget your worth. The moment you stop chasing, people start noticing, not because you changed them, but because you changed your signal. Stay. Dark motivational close. Let them ignore you. Let them underestimate you. Let them forget your name, while you rebuild your mind, your standards, your power. Because the most dangerous person is not the loudest in the room. It's the one who no longer needs to be seen, to be respected.